Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to learn a new different formula that is called take. So let's start guys. So the description of this formula says returns rows or columns from array starts or end. So basically in our previous video we have learned the formula called drop, where we were trying to drop particular unnecessary rows or column whatever it is, and in this formula it's like opposite to that. We will be taking only the fields whatever are required. So in front of you, this is the list where the date, salesman, quantity, and the price has been given, and we are going to apply this formula. How we can apply, we'll try to see. This take formula syntax is very simple. First, we have to give array, then rows, and columns is non-mandatory, like optional it is. For example, if I'm taking this row and I just want to specify how much rows I want to take from this table. For example, I want to take 5 and I can simply press enter like this, and I am able to get my result in this order. So if you see, this is exactly 5 list of salesperson or whatever you can say. On the other side, if you see, if I want to apply the columns parameter also, that is optional, that also I can apply. How I can apply? By default, it is taking all the columns, whatever the selection I have made in the array, but we can crisp this this the output table also by putting this parameter. For example, I'm just pressing 3. I can able to get only the 3 columnar table here, where I can see date, salesman, and quantity. And one more thing, we can, if you see the description of this formula says, we can returns the rows and column from an array to starts or end. So if you see the result I'm able to see here, it is from the starting. But if we want to get my result from end, we can use -5. So it will count, it will see like this is my first result, and from this first result I will be counting 5 numbers like that. So in the same way we can do for column also, but in column it won't make logical because the headings are pretty much different here, the date, salesperson, salesman, and quantity. So it is looking weird, and but anyway we can do through the columns also from the end to first. So this is pretty much all about this formula guys, and this is pretty much all from my side also. So hope you like the session, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys, keep learning.